Alright guys, I got another video for you guys. Another video. It's time to get my car ready for the New York City inspection. I tried to get it done before. They told me that my tints were too dark and the front windshield banner, headliner, whatever you want to call it, can't have no tint on the front windshield, well at least that dark. I don't like using the sunshade here that we have, the OEM one, so I went with this tint. It helps a lot, you know. And they said my tints are too dark. It's not 70%. It's not letting in 70% light. I don't see how that's possible, but yeah, I can see right through it. I mean, it's kind of fishbowl in here. New York City is very whack. So, like I was saying, they said my tints are too dark. 6-inch headliner is too dark. And these corner lights I put in are not for regulation. These corner lights are purple. And like the amber, they said it has to be amber. So we're gonna get rid of those, bought some new parts. We got the LED amber lights. And I also purchased the LED corner lights. I'll do a video on that soon. And we got my heat gun, a couple of razors, just to get the tint off. And yeah, hopefully I get to pass this fucking inspection. But yeah, I am going to change these. I can't wait. Do not like chrome at all. Don't look at my rims, I know this sucks. Gotta change my rims. Alright, cool. Let's get started. As you can see, it's coming off pretty easy with the heat gun. Just pull it off or not. I'm pretty sure that they were mainly talking about this, but I can change this anyway. Maybe get some not disposable, but the ones that you can easily take off and put on. If that's a thing. Ready? It's just coming right off. Do it nice and easy. One shot. Yeah, this shit is just clear product. I want to go with that ceramic. Listen to that ASMR. That's one side done. That was literally no difference. So now we're gonna do, oh shit. Second side. I need the keys. All right. All right. Come on. Stuff with your hand, you don't have to use it. Alright, cool. So now the same thing, we're gonna use the heat gun to heat her up, heat up the vinyl. It's pretty simple to do. Application as well. I mean, tinting has come a long way. Now they have pre-cut. You use the wet method to apply the tint. And there it is, final product. I don't know, I kind of like it better. It's been a while since I've seen it like this. So, in order to change these corner lights, you just have to turn the wheel. And we're gonna, what is it? There we go. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's pretty simple, it's turn and twist. And we're gonna put it back in. This is the turn signal. Purple turn signal. Which is also a good thing too, because it was doing that hyper flash. This is supposed to cure the hyper flash. Hyper flash meaning turn signal It's turning too fast instead of like your regular. God, I hope this works. Bad fact. Let's try it out. All right, so now we changed it, and there it is. Very nice. LED bright. Looking amber, but that's fine. The purple looked a little ricey. All right, so we'll change the other one and clean this thing up, and yeah, try to get the inspection today. All right, cool. All right, so this is how it was before. This is how it is after. Much, much brighter. Much brighter. All right, on to the next one. So, yep, that's it. That's how you change. That's how you change the corner lights on your Z. Basically, get the Z ready for inspection. Change your corner lights and your front tints. Well, take off your front tints. I'll do a video to put back on front tints depending on what tints I put. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Future things I want to do is front lip. Don't. Front lip I want to do. You know, that's for the future builds. I'm going to do a whole video on the future builds, so we'll show you guys later. I also wanted to tint the headlights. That's another video that we're doing. A lot of Z content coming up for, I still don't know what to call this channel anymore. But this segment is similar to Haze Motorsports, so we're gonna stick with that for now. Haze Motorsports. And yeah. So there will be a part 2 because I'm gonna let you guys know how the inspection went and shit. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Dr. Haze out.